You know the drill. Let's see what's behind the door. Wow, this place is for all you cool cats. Oh, you want to play hide and seek? Well, we've got a secret weapon for that. Pickled fish. And it's extra stinky. Come on, kitties, have a bite.
Wow!
Hey, look, there's a button in the pool. Ooh, what's Mr. Black up to now? No cats? Well, they usually don't do water. But how are we going to get the button? Those pipes could be the solution. You like the pool slide? How about a rock slide?
Oops!
Let's try the Scrooge McDuck route instead. I guess everybody has their price. Don't worry, kitties. We'll get our paws wet for you. Think we should drain the pool? The button! Let's try it out. It looks like a ratty theme. Wow! You're all Interplanet Janets! And look! Maruna's lost her Wyram! Use your new superpowers to help! But where do we start? We should ask for clues. Okay, Mama Binaria, what's in the carry-on? Baby stuff. Okay, you can go. You're next, Top Hat. Is that a bomb? You have a right to remain silent. Use it. Hi, Aqua. Did you have worm for lunch?
Uh-oh.
We're gonna need to make a little incision. Reunited, and it feels so good. And looks like Mr. Black's getting a cellmate. How can she thank you? That'll do it.
Yes!
It's good to be back in the flesh. It looks like this one's got a pinky theme. Guess she's a fan of Minecraft. But Mr. Black's got special creepers. Quick, into that mining shaft. This is a Minecraft game. So, why don't we start mining? We just need to find the right treasures. Now we can really craft something good. A sword! Should we make more? Nah, Ratty's got this one covered. And that treasure chest is all ours. But this is all the treasure we need. We've got a button for Sky. A farm level, and you're all produce. Red apple, yellow lemon, pink peach, and a white orange? Why don't we fix that? Just need to mix a little red and yellow. Old MacDonald would be proud. Uh-oh! It looks like Mr. Black's in the mood for fruit salad. Hey! Oh, he's changed his mind. Now he's thinking smoothies. We gotta help! Just need to finish this drink. Quick, take the mix to our special dispenser. Popsicles? Well, at least they're solid. Now let's give you a taste of your own medicine. Ooh, we got a Mr. Black button. Looks like there's still one more level to go. Get your engines ready. It's a car level. Keep your eyes on the prize. A Simon button. It's not a race, but you gotta avoid the obstacles. Well, don't worry. We've still got 3 lives left. Pinky isn't having much luck either. Well, Simon, it's your button. Have a go. Remember, slow and steady always works best. You did it!
Wow!
But you're not out of the woods yet. Time to go a little fast and furious. Here's hoping you've got insurance. The final button. The keyboard is restored. Press the start button to, well, start over. Yeah! You won the games. Let's dance. Looks like it's Sprunki time again. But this time, it comes with a perfect twist. That's right. Everybody wants to be a cat. Let the feline fun begin. Shine a light. Uh-oh, it looks like the claws are coming out. Okay, spray bottle, do your thing. Now let's take a trip to see where the real cool cats go. But things are getting dramatic. What's Black Cat up to? Oh no! He knows your combination! Or is that just his safe? Let's hope so, because he's making some withdrawals. That alarm makes me think it's not his. So that explains why he brought Orin along. You might be orange, but you've been caught red-handed. On the plus side, you already got an orange suit. Sort of. Don't worry, Orin. We'll sneak you a treat. And it's got a special surprise inside. I think we've got a problem. Don't worry, it's gotta come out somehow. Get scooping. It's cheaper than hiring a lawyer. I would have worn gloves, but time is of the essence. Okay, kitty cat, make like a fox and sneak on out. Uh-oh, it's a maze in here, and it's a messy one. Careful, this maze is a really interactive one. Either we fire that Minotaur or get him a litter box. Hurry, Orin, we drew you a way out. Next up, a locked door. Looks like we've got to solve an equation. Got a calculator? Well, some combination must be right. Don't worry, we've got our minifigs to help. If you know how to count, adding's the next best step. Seriously, arithmetic's a slippery slope. See, we're already doing subtraction. And with bugs, too. Just take away the number and count. Let's try 3. Aha! Just one more to go. Personally, I prefer multiplication when it comes to jewels. Well, I guess there's just one left standing. And we're on our way out of here. Bugs and doors? What, out of chutes and ladders? Either way, let's roll the dice. And maybe roll up a newspaper. A key! Think it'll come in handy? It did! Uh-oh, another bug! Where's that shoe? Step to it. And look, we got another key. One last bug left. And we've got something special, a shovel. The final door! Now ease on out of here. They say it's always good to feel wanted, but this feels like a good counter-argument. Well, guess someone's getting a makeover. A sombrero, a bow tie, and purple shoes. Looks like it's time for another makeover. Next, a cowboy hat, goofy glasses. Voila! Well, at least the cape matches the hat. Let's find Pinky and clear your name. Oh no, don't scream! See, it's just Oren. Yeah! Uh-oh, here comes the third wheel. Hey, are these two having a cat fight? Wow, fighting must be good exercise. Seriously, I can see right through them. In the end, only one cat is left standing. What a happy ending. Wait, we returned the jewels, right? Our Sprunki friends are having a day out. And look, it's our new pal, Doughy the Doughman. Uh-oh, it looks like Simon can't catch up. Guess you'll have the first playdate with Doughy, aren't you lucky? Looks like Pinky and Oren want to go on an adventure. But everyone says they're too little. Here, this should help. Aw, they grow up so fast. Still, watch out for that crocodile. Don't worry, a helicopter will fly Pinky to safety. Oren, stay where you are for now. What we really need is to sedate the croc. See, he's not such a bad guy after all. Besides, Pinky's always ready to help. This'll cheer you up. A day at the beach. Whoops, should have brought your water wings or a yacht. Uh-oh, don't worry, Pinky. We're going fishing. So, anyone in the mood for shark fin soup? Oh, Pinky's gotta be in here somewhere. Look, I think we just found her. And look what else we found. A key. Better keep this somewhere safe. Hey, look out for that snake. Don't worry, this'll suck the poison right out. We can put all that venom to better use. Throw in some scorpion while we're at it. And cockroach. They'll outlive us all. Okay, you've picked your poison. Now let's try it out. Ooh, it's a tree. An apple tree. A poisoned apple tree? They seem safe, but look, a key. Not in the mood for apples, you two? Well, who wants dessert? Hey, I ordered the baked Alaska. At least something's getting baked, I guess. Don't worry, Pinky and Oren are freelance firefighters. It's easy to take the heat when you're this cool. And you've earned the next key. You're on a roll. Walking is fun and all, but let's try the train. There's onboard dining, but you're the main course. Great idea. Let's grab some balloons. That should cheer up Pianosaurus. Yeah, you got a key and not eaten. Well, up and away with your beautiful balloon. Uh-oh, looks like we're playing Whack-A-Monster. But remember, they're not all so bad. Some of them really need our help. Well, is there a dentist in the house? Either way, a good brush is a good way to start. Another key, and we did this pro bono. Come on, girls, it's time to run through the maze. You found an end, but you wish you didn't. Maybe you'll have better luck, Oren. Oh, look, an egg. Well, hope you like omelets. Either way, there's something inside. It's Pinky, but a magician never reveals her tricks. Now let's see what's behind door number 1. Hey, it's called a privy because it's private. Ooh, number 2's the bomb, literally. The third one's locked. Oh, if we only collected a bunch of keys. Oh, wait, we did! And now it's a super key. Ooh, I hope it works. And look, it does! Simon, we found you! That wraps things up. Pretty soon, everything will be back to normal. You all had a big day. Let's head back home. These Sprunkies are gonna sleep good tonight.